What if the most underrated remedy for skin, teeth, and even internal detox has been sitting in your pantry this whole time? Millions use it wrong. Are you one of them? Discover what no one's telling you about baking soda's full health potential. From skin rashes to kidney support, we're about to reveal how baking soda is transforming the wellness habits of thousands. Backed by surprising science. Welcome to Senior Health Boost. If you're new here, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more natural wellness tips designed to support senior vitality and smart health choices. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible and often overlooked health benefits of baking soda. You'll learn how this inexpensive kitchen staple could play a role in detoxification, oral hygiene, and more. We'll also highlight safety precautions and who should use it with care. So if you care about living smarter, longer, and healthier, stay with us till the end. Let's get into it. Baking soda and detox. Fact or hype? Most people only think of baking soda for baking cookies or keeping the fridge fresh. But when dissolved in water, baking soda becomes alkaline, and this property opens the door to much more. Externally, baking soda is often used in baths to soothe irritated or inflamed skin, itching, and help manage mild rashes. Soaking in a warm bath with a few tablespoons of baking soda is a time-honored remedy and, while science is still catching up, countless people swear by its calming effects and refreshed skin. Internally, the conversation gets even more interesting. Health advocates say that drinking a small dose of baking soda mixed with water can help alkalize your blood and urine, which may improve your body's ability to remove toxins. There is some scientific support for this, particularly for individuals with certain conditions. For example, the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology published findings showing that sodium bicarbonate can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by lowering acid buildup in the blood. Still, balance is key. Your body is already good at maintaining its pH balance, and using too much baking soda can cause side effects. Moderation and proper medical guidance are essential. When used responsibly, baking soda can be an affordable, gentle way to enhance your body's natural detox functions and help you feel refreshed from the inside out. Brighter smiles and better breath naturally. Have you ever brushed your teeth with baking soda and noticed how smooth they felt afterward? That sensation isn't just in your head. Baking soda works as a mild abrasive, helping remove surface stains from coffee, tea, and food, without the harsh effects of chemical whitening treatments. But that's not all. Baking soda is alkaline, which means it helps neutralize acid in your mouth. This is important because an acidic environment promotes harmful bacteria, the kind that leads to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. By helping to restore a more balanced pH, baking soda naturally supports healthier gums, fewer cavities, and fresher breath. So, whether you're using it to detox or to brighten your smile, baking soda proves itself as more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerful health ally. Now that we've covered its detox and dental benefits, get ready to explore even more impressive uses of baking soda. In the next section, we'll dive into how it supports digestion, relieves heartburn, and even boosts athletic performance. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's continue where we left off. Previously, we explored how baking soda can support detoxification and improve oral health, helping balance the body and promote a fresher, whiter smile. Now, let's take a closer look at how this common kitchen ingredient offers even more powerful benefits, especially for digestion, fungal infections, and urinary health. Baking soda and a balanced mouth. What the research says: baking soda doesn't just feel good when brushing, it delivers real, measurable results. Numerous scientific studies have confirmed that using toothpaste with baking soda is significantly more effective than non-baking soda formulas for whitening teeth and removing plaque. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry revealed that baking soda-based toothpastes outperform regular ones, making them a smart and budget-friendly choice for oral hygiene. Another benefit: a reduction in harmful bacteria. According to clinical research, baking soda helps lower the number of dangerous microorganisms in your mouth, helping prevent tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. But remember, moderation matters. Despite its benefits, baking soda's abrasive nature means it should be used with care. Brushing too often with baking soda or applying it with a hard bristle toothbrush can gradually wear down your enamel. Dentists recommend limiting use to a few times per week and always using a soft bristle brush. Used wisely, it's a fast, affordable, and natural way to brighten your smile and protect your teeth right from the comfort of your own home. A soothing solution for heartburn relief. Let's talk about a problem most of us have faced. Heartburn, that uncomfortable burning sensation rising from your upper stomach into your throat, can ruin even the best meals. It's often triggered by spicy or fatty foods, overeating, or certain medical conditions. Pregnant women and those with gastrointestinal issues are particularly vulnerable. While many people reach for commercial antacids, baking soda provides a reliable, inexpensive alternative you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. Simply mixing a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sipping it slowly can provide fast, soothing relief. Why does it work? Baking soda is alkaline, which means it helps neutralize excess stomach acid, the main culprit behind heartburn. This simple remedy has been used for generations because it delivers nearly immediate comfort. In fact, sodium bicarbonate is recognized in medical literature as an effective fast-acting antacid. A review in gastroenterology and hepatology supports its use for quick, occasional heartburn relief. The method is simple and convenient. A teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and a few minutes of your time. That's all it takes to feel better. It's no surprise baking soda remains a trusted go-to for those seeking immediate, dependable relief from digestive discomfort. Without the price tag of commercial medications, the antifungal power of baking soda. Next, let's talk about something that can be as irritating as it is persistent. Fungal infections. Whether it's athlete's foot, ringworm, or itchy, flaky skin, these issues thrive in warm by environments, particularly around the feet, while over-the-counter creams and sprays abound. Baking soda offers a clean, all-natural alternative that's already in your pantry. Its power comes from its ability to disrupt the environment fungi need to survive. When applied to the skin, baking soda raises the pH level, creating an alkaline setting that weakens fungal cell walls and inhibits growth. And this isn't just folklore, science backs it up. A study published in Mycopathologia found that a 10 grams liter baking soda solution inhibited the growth of 80% of the fungal strains tested. That's a remarkable success rate for something so simple and safe. For athlete's foot, a common solution is to make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it directly to the affected area. Another option, add it to a warm foot soak. Many users report a reduction in itching and irritation after just a few uses. Best of all, it's non-toxic, gentle, and inexpensive. A practical alternative for those seeking relief without treatments, relief from urinary tract discomfort. A natural approach. Now, we move into more sensitive territory. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, particularly common in women. These painful infections can cause frequent urination, a burning sensation, and general discomfort that interferes with daily life. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, some people look for natural ways to ease symptoms and support recovery. That's where baking soda enters the conversation. Because baking soda neutralizes acid, drinking a small amount diluted in water may help reduce the acidity of urine. A less acidic environment could be less favorable to bacteria, potentially slowing the infection's progress and easing discomfort. Additionally, less acidic urine may help soothe that stinging, burning feeling that makes UTIs so painful. Some early research backs this idea. In one study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, 33 women with recurring UTIs were given sodium bicarbonate. After 4 weeks, many participants reported a significant reduction in symptoms. While it's no substitute for proper medical treatment, baking soda may provide added support, especially when used in conjunction with a healthcare provider's guidance. And that's the power of baking soda. From a whiter smile to soothed heartburn, fewer fungal infections, and potential relief from UTI symptoms. This humble powder proves to be a multi-talented health ally. But we're not done yet. Up next, we'll dive into even more surprising benefits of baking soda, like how it might help support kidney function, improve athletic performance, and even freshen your home in ways you never expected. Stick around, because the next part might just change the way you think about baking soda forever. Let's keep going on our journey with this remarkable white powder. We've seen how baking soda can calm heartburn, ease fungal infections, and support urinary health. But what if this everyday ingredient could also bring relief from painful mouth sores and help you push your workouts further than ever before? Soothing canker sores with simplicity. If you've ever had a canker sore, you know how painful even the smallest one can be. These small ulcers in your mouth can turn eating, drinking, and even speaking into a miserable experience. They're often caused by stress, minor injuries, or certain foods, and they can feel like they last forever. Enter baking soda. Thanks to its unique ability to neutralize acids and create a more balanced pH in the mouth, this humble kitchen staple can offer real relief. Canker sores thrive in acidic environments, which can slow healing and increase discomfort. By rinsing your mouth with a solution of half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water, you help reduce inflammation, soothe irritation, and promote faster healing. But don't just take our word for it, science supports this too. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association showed that patients with recurring mouth ulcers who used a baking soda rinse experienced significant pain relief and quicker healing. Its mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help keep the sore clean and reduce the bacterial growth that can interfere with healing. Unlike some over-the-counter treatments that can sting or irritate the mouth, baking soda is gentle, making it a safe and effective option. So next time a canker sore sneaks up on you, consider reaching for the baking soda instead of your medicine cabinet. Boosting exercise performance naturally. Now here's something you might not expect. Baking soda as a performance enhancer. That's right, this unassuming powder is used by athletes as a natural way to combat muscle fatigue and improve endurance during intense workouts. When you exercise at a high intensity, your muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers the pH in your body and creates that familiar burning sensation. This acidity is one of the main reasons you feel fatigue and have to stop earlier than you'd like. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a buffer, helping to neutralize that acid and delay muscle exhaustion. There's solid science behind this. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning research found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation improved performance in short duration, high-intensity activities like sprinting, swimming, and cycling. Athletes who took baking soda before their workouts were able to perform longer and delay fatigue. The typical method? Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda into water and drinking it about 60 to 90 minutes before exercising. But be cautious, start with small amounts. Too much can cause stomach discomfort, nausea, or bloating. If you have underlying health conditions, consult with a healthcare provider first. Still, for those looking to push a little harder in their workouts, this kitchen staple might be the pre-workout boost you've never considered. Supporting kidney function, yes? Really imagine a simple, inexpensive ingredient helping to protect one of your body's most vital systems, your kidneys. For people with chronic kidney disease (CKD), managing acid buildup in the blood is crucial. When the kidneys can't remove enough acid, a condition called metabolic acidosis can occur, which leads to worsening kidney damage over time. Here's where baking soda may play a protective role. Some clinical studies suggest that sodium bicarbonate, when used under medical supervision, can slow the progression of CKD by helping to neutralize excess acid in the bloodstream. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology showed promising results. Patients with CKD who received sodium bicarbonate experienced a slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. This suggests that baking soda might help the body maintain acid-base balance, reduce the workload on the kidneys, and potentially improve quality of life. Of course, this doesn't mean everyone should start taking baking soda for kidney support. It's essential to speak with a doctor before beginning any new treatment, especially if you have existing medical conditions. But under proper guidance, this common ingredient could be part of a supportive strategy to protect kidney function and overall health. So there you have it, baking soda as a canker sore soother, an athletic performance enhancer, and a potential ally in kidney care. This tiny, inexpensive powder continues to surprise us with its wide-reaching benefits. And guess what? We're still not finished. In the next section, we'll explore even more incredible uses, like how baking soda might freshen your home naturally, improve skin clarity, and assist with long-term pH balance in the body. Stick with Usta, best is yet to come. Relieving arthritis discomfort naturally now. Let's explore a use of baking soda that may come as a surprise to those dealing with joint pain. Relieving arthritis symptoms. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, is marked by inflammation, swelling, stiffness, and persistent pain that can interfere with daily life. But what if something as simple as baking soda could provide some relief? Recent research offers hope. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology found that a daily drink of baking soda, dissolved in water, can actually help calm the body's autoimmune response, the very mechanism that fuels inflammation in rheumatoid arthritis. By immune cell activity toward a less inflammatory profile, sodium bicarbonate helped reduce markers of inflammation in both animals and humans. What does this mean for you? In simple terms, incorporating a baking soda drink into your routine under proper guidance might ease joint discomfort and swelling. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term benefits, this natural low-cost remedy shows promise. It's another reminder that sometimes big results can come from the most humble solutions. Managing gout flare-ups with baking soda. Next up, gout. If you've ever experienced a gout flare, you know how intense the pain can be, often striking the big toe with sharp throbbing agony. Gout is caused by a buildup of uric acid in the blood, which leads to painful crystal formations in the joints. Baking soda, being alkaline, may help reduce uric acid levels in the blood. By restoring a more balanced pH, it creates an environment less favorable to crystal formation. According to a study in arthritis and rheumatism, alkalinizing agents like sodium bicarbonate may help dissolve uric acid crystals and encourage their excretion through urine, easing the pain. Many people find that mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and sipping it slowly during a gout attack brings noticeable relief. It may also reduce joint inflammation and help improve mobility. However, it's important to remember that baking soda is not a cure-all. Using it too often or without supervision, especially if you have high blood pressure or kidney conditions, can lead to complications. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making it part of your regular gout management routine. Still, for those seeking natural, inexpensive options, baking soda could offer another layer of support against gout's painful symptoms. And there's even more to uncover. In the next section, we'll explore how baking soda can help with skincare, freshening up your living space, and even supporting long-term pH balance inside the body. Stick with us. Sure health journey with baking soda is far from over. Baking soda's final acts. From fighting the flu to freshening your day. As we wrap up our exploration, let's return to one more surprising benefit. baking soda's ability to ease the symptoms of colds and flu. During the colder months, symptoms like sore throats, congestion, and fatigue can wear us down. But right there in your pantry may be one of the simplest, most cost-effective aids. Thanks to its alkaline properties, baking soda can help break down thick mucus and improve airflow through the nasal passages. This means less time feeling stuffy and more time breathing freely. One of the most effective remedies. Gargle. A mixture of half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water not only soothes an irritated throat, but also reduces harmful microbes lingering in your mouth and throat. Studies, including one published by the Journal of the American Dental Association, support this. Regular gargling with a baking soda solution can reduce throat inflammation and microbial presence, giving your body a better shot at recovering faster. Baking soda can also be added to saline rinses to clear nasal passages, helping you breathe easier and heal quicker. And just when you think that's all, baking soda's influence reaches into one of the most pressing medical challenges of our time: cancer. Could baking soda support cancer treatments? It might sound improbable, but researchers have been studying how altering the environment around cancer cells affects their growth. Tumors thrive in acidic environments, which not only support cancer cell spread, but also limit the effectiveness of treatments. That's where baking soda comes in. In a landmark study published in Cancer Research, scientists found that injecting mice with sodium bicarbonate reduced the acidity of tumors. This made cancer cells more vulnerable to chemotherapy and slowed the cancer's spread. Although we're still far from using baking soda as an official cancer treatment, researchers are exploring its use as a complementary therapy. The idea is to pair baking soda with existing treatments to potentially improve their effectiveness. It's crucial to emphasize, however, that this is still in early research stages. More human trials are needed. No one should attempt this without speaking to a medical professional, but what this shows us is the powerful potential of a humble substance when guided by science. A natural deodorant from your pantry. Back to something a little more familiar: staying fresh. Did you know baking soda makes an excellent natural deodorant? Unlike commercial options loaded with aluminum and synthetic fragrances, baking soda is clean, effective, and gentle. How does it work? Baking soda neutralizes acidic compounds in sweat that cause odor. Its ability to absorb moisture makes it a go-to for those wanting to stay dry naturally. Sprinkle a little under your arms or mix with coconut oil for extra moisture protection. The result? Freshness that lasts all day, even through intense workouts or hot days. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor. The alkaline effect makes it difficult for odor bacteria to thrive, giving you reliable results without the chemicals. Plus, for those with sensitive skin, baking soda offers a gentler alternative when to be cautious. Despite all these benefits, baking soda isn't for everyone, especially in large or frequent doses. Let's walk through a few important considerations. People with kidney disease. Baking soda contains sodium, which can build up in those with impaired kidney function, leading to fluid retention or other complications. Individuals with high blood pressure. That same sodium content can raise blood pressure, posing risks to those already managing hypertension. Those with gastrointestinal conditions, if you have ulcers, acid reflux, or gastritis. The shift in stomach pH might worsen symptoms. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, sodium levels must be carefully managed, and excess intake can disrupt electrolyte balance. Anyone with respiratory conditions, inhaled baking soda powder may irritate airways. People with skin sensitivities or allergies. Always start with a small amount to test how your body reacts. As with any health approach, moderation and personalized care are key. Don't replace medications or professional treatments with baking soda unless advised by your doctor. But if used responsibly, this kitchen staple could be a gentle yet powerful ally. Final thoughts from Senior Health Boosts. So what have we learned? Baking soda, one of the most basic items in our homes, may hold a wealth of benefits. From soothing canker sores and easing gout pain to supporting detoxification, improving oral health, and even being explored in cancer research. It's a substance worth a second look. But knowledge is just the first step. The next one is yours to take. Try one of these simple remedies. Talk to your healthcare provider and discover whether this small change could create a meaningful impact in your life. And now we want to hear from you. Have you tried baking soda for any of these health uses? What worked? What didn't? Share your experience in the comments. You could help someone else on their journey. If this video brought you value, please hit that like button, subscribe to Senior Health Boost, and share it with friends and family. We've prepared 2 more videos that go even deeper into affordable, natural strategies for better health. Click to watch and continue your journey with us. Thank you for being here. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay healthy, and never underestimate the power of something as simple as baking soda.